Hi friends, welcome to Decor Catalog. We as an interior and exterior design expert share with you modern trending and eye-catching designs that can enhance the charm and beauty of your house. So please subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. Transform your garden into a stunning outdoor oasis with our top modern garden edging design ideas. In this video, we will explore a variety of materials, styles, and tips to elevate you create clean, defined borders that enhance your landscape's beauty and functionality. Whether you are looking for sleek metal edges, natural stone borders, or eco-friendly options, we have got you covered. Learn how to choose the right edging for your garden, install it like a pro, and maintain it with ease. Perfect for both beginners and seasoned gardeners. These design tips will elevate your garden to the next level. Don't miss out on the latest trends and timeless classics in garden edging. Here I am going to give you some tips about garden edging. Number 1. For a timeless look, use natural stones like granite, limestone or slate. It blends well with any garden style. Steel or aluminum edging offers a sleek, modern look and is durable. It's great for defining clean lines. Option for treated wood or composite materials for a natural feel. They can be cut into various shapes to suit different garden styles. Bricks or concrete, these provides a classic sturdy look. They are perfect for creating more formal garden edges. Create fluid organic shapes that mimic the natural flow of the garden. This is perfect for softer, more romantic garden settings. For a modern minimalistic look, use straight lines. This will well in contemporary or urban gardens. Combine different heights and textures to create depth and visual interest. Choose materials that help prevent weed growth, such as deep set metal or plastic edging. Ensure the edging is level with the lawn to make mowing easier. Consider permeable materials that allow water to drain, reducing the risk of waterlogging. Clean the area of roots and herbs before installation to ensure the edging sits properly. Secure edging materials firmly, especially if choosing loose stones or bricks to prevent shifting over time. Bury part of the edging materials below the soil level for stability and to prevent grass from creeping over the edge. Consider using recycled plastic or rubber for eco-friendly edging solutions. Plant dense, low-maintenance plants like hostas or ornamental grasses as a living edge. Use reclaimed materials or dye wooden edges for a cost-effective solution. Higher initial cost for durable materials like metal or stone can save money on maintenance and replacement over time. Choose materials in colors that complement your garden's palette. Mix different heights of edging to add dimensions and draw attention to focal points in the garden. These guidelines should provide a comprehensive overview of modern garden edging design for my audience. I hope this will work for you. If you like this video, then please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.